and they cooperate. They cooperate each other. And listen, please. Discrimination not up to also just people. Discrimination also we discriminate the nature. Example, we start to things. Okay, nature. Oh no, you are not our the nature. You are a part of the nature. If you think you are over the nature, it means also discrimination. It kills the nature. It kills the forest. It kills the rainforest, jungle, animals, many things. And you never think you are the one, you are the unique, you are the human. You are human, right? But you are nothing without nature, without animals, without, how can I say, for something else. So, if you kids use in the nature like that, in the movies, also stop to prevent the discrimination about the nature. Example, Turkey. Turkey is most beautiful country. Just in 10 days, in this religion, decrease up to the 30 degrees. Pardon, warming up everything 30 until the 30 degrees. And farming is here. Farming is easy here. And God creates like that here. Nature like that here. But look at Iran. Everywhere. Building. What you do? What do you do? Now we import the foods from other countries. We have the soil, we have the beautiful countries, but we try to import the foods from other countries because we cannot learn, okay, how important the nature to us. We cannot learn it to kids. We just okay, today is Forest Day. Okay, make a paper. Okay, they drive a paper. Okay, a trees on the paper. It's never makes the people love the nature. If people go to the nature, okay, they try to live few days in the nature. They try to do okay. They start to love the nature. Otherwise, just only making in the building, just making pictures, something else, just talking about it, never make us love the country. I mean, nature. So Germany is really successful about it. Mr. Kicker, and it is also about discriminations. How can I say? Because a teacher here turning into the like frog. And you know how can Eisenhower comes? How he comes into power? They make okay, represent all how can I say, professions, all civilizations, all peoples. Okay, in the his advertisement. Okay, if there is a questions, okay, if you have question, if you want to ask any question, I can reply. Otherwise, I make you try. I made already how I have made already tired you. So I want to stop it. Okay, if you want to have a questions, okay, if you ask a questions, I reply. I answer it. There's a questions? No. Yeah. You say let us go. Yeah, I know. I need to let us go because I heard that you are going to go. Okay, you are going to discover. We talked already about nature. I heard that you are going to go. You are going to discover a natural place. We call it Pamukkale. Maybe you call it Cotton Castle. And you are a lucky person because it is really good. Everywhere white, like how can I say? Yani you will like. I don't want to tell anything because it is like I don't want to destroy your imagine. Okay, you discovered. Okay, thank you very much. Good luck.